So folks, are you ready? I would like to introduce a new friend of ours from here on out. It's called the capo. That little thing comes in all different forms and shapes and mechanisms. I have a really old one with a weird strap. I think the newer versions are much easier to use. But anyway, what that thing does is it basically shifts that position of the nut into any fret of your choice. What allows you to, and in doing so, what it does it shifts the key of the tone of the guitar, for the lack of the better term. So sometimes as you learn a new song, it will tell you like capo 2 or capo 1, capo 3, capo 7, whatever, and that number next to the word capo tells you the position in which you're supposed to put your capo in. So for this particular song, it says capo 2. That tells us we're supposed to put the capo in the 2nd fret. And again, my model here is a little older. The new ones are much easier to use. So it always takes me a couple of seconds to apply that one, but it's very easy. Now, again, as I told you before, some students, for a reason that I don't understand, they really fear the capo, but I honestly don't understand it, because it allows you to play along with a lot of songs that are written in different keys. So I encourage you to get used to it. The sooner the better. And again, you don't need it for all songs, but some songs require the use of a capo, and it will allow you to play along with the original version of a song if that song is in a different key. So in our particular example, Take Me Home, Country Roads, we're going to use the chords don't change. The chords never change. But what you will have to do, obviously, you don't play the E minor here. At the E minor chord, for example, usually I would play it in the 2nd fret, counting from the nut. 1, 2. Now I just have to count from the capo. 1, 2. So my E minor is here. It's in the 4th fret. Or if you want to do it mathematically, before it was in the 2nd. Now, since I put the capo in the 2nd fret, 2 plus 2 is 4. And that's the exact same approach you use for all the other chords. So it means the G major would look like this. The E minor would look like that. D major, which there's one more missing, yeah, the C major. And that's it. Let me just play the song, and why don't you just watch what I'm doing here without trying to play along? I think then it becomes clear. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Na 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 na. So put the capo in the 2nd fret of your guitar, and when you're done, then we're gonna get started. Okay, so the chords we need, again, G major, E major, D major, and C major. Okay, so now try to play along with me. We take things very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Na 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 except for my humming, that was beautiful, wasn't it? So I hope you were able to follow me. It might have been a little bit too fast as usual. In that case, take it slower. You can do it at your own pace, use a metronome. But I want you to get familiar with the concept of using a capo. Again, you can play it without a capo, but then you're not in the right key. And this is actually a very good song to practice the use of a capo. I understand I, in the beginning, struggled a little bit. Oh, I just learned a new chord. And it took me a while to figure out, oh, this is the second fret and my finger has to go here and this finger has to go there. So now you have to basically picture the nut being moved over. So what does that mean? Okay, now my finger has to go here and that finger has to go there. I understand that takes a little bit of time, but believe me, you will learn that in no time, and then it allows you to do much more with your instrument. Okay, that's it for this lesson. You might have to rewatch the video a couple of times. Use the worksheet that comes along with this lesson, and if you have any questions, very important, if you have any questions around the use of the capo, I want to know. You need to contact me, you need to email me, you need to send me a video. You have to use smoke signs or whatever you want to use to get in touch with me, and I will get back to you. I will walk you through. If you don't understand the concept, if I was not able to explain it well enough, contact me and I'll send you a personalized video. How about that? All right, keep practicing. I see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.